two different devices, V27 and V27 Pro. This one says emerald green. I have no idea what color this one's gonna be. Let's start over here. Yeah, that looks like an emerald green. Is it meant to look like marble or smoke? Kind of cool. It looks like a countertop, like a nice countertop. And then it kind of fades into this emerald green. Obviously, we have that same green around the outside. This feels fairly premium. Of course, I won't find out the price until the very end. A lot of curvature, waterfall effect on the sides of the display. Professional portrait, it says. It looks like a ring light style flash. 3 camera setup on the back. Power, volume, Type-C. A little case to get you up and running. And since it's a clear case, you can still appreciate your cracked stone looking exterior. Big power brick, flash charge, 66 watts maximum, USB-C to A cable, as well as a SIM tool. Now let's check out the one with the Pro designation. It's kind of a nice looking blue to it. Maybe a purple hue depending on the angle, and this one is a matte finish over here compared to the glossy one. The color I have in front of me is called Magic Blue. It's also available in Noble Black. And the display here is 6.7 inches AMOLED 120 Hertz. There we are, ready to go. This is your first glance at the screen to body ratio. The whole thing feels much smaller than it actually is at 6.78 inches on the display. Front-facing camera positioned in the center of the display. Let's check the brightness. Well, it's currently in the smart switch mode. However, you can lock it at 60 Hertz for better battery life, or go all the way up to 120 Hertz lock, which of course is going to drain your battery a little faster, but it will actually just keep it in that buttery smooth refresh. Now this one is a little bit low on battery. Let's check the recharge animation real quick. Wonderful animation, flash charge indication, and of course we can see our charge going up in real time as we move from 16% up to, I don't know, let's see here, 17, there we go. I kind of like what they're doing with this, like an almost natural stone look. It's just a little bit more unique. I believe the only hardware difference, because these displays look incredibly comparable, is going to be the chip that's inside. So the Pro model will give you the MediaTek Dimensity 8200, whereas the standard V27 is going to give you the MediaTek Dimensity 7200. Camera test real quick. In the 1x setting, boom, we move out to 0.6 and then all the way up tight to wide to the most premium image of the bunch, which is on your stock focal length. Look at the sharpness of the blades. 50 megapixels. Whoa. He's portrait. Maybe it's gonna get rid of Mo. It knows it's looking for me. You're a little bit more blurry back there, Mo. A little isolation happening. It sees me and you. It's a dual. A dual selfie. Beard. If we head into video mode, we have some options here all the way up to 4K 30. This is a video test of the Vivo V27. And let's go say hi to Mo. Audio you're listening to is actually from the device itself, the V27. So tell us how it sounds.
How do I sound? Do I sound good? Back to the table.
What's going on?
Back to the table.
You got 2 white beard hairs in there now, and it's like you're trying to catch up to me or something. It's like I rubbed off on you the wrong way. Let me take your portrait, Mo. Allow me to take a portrait. Okay. Modeling. Is this AI generated? You didn't expect the device to stand up on its own. Neither did I. Focus fall off a little smooth around the edges. Get your portrait effect in there. And then obviously we also have our bokeh settings after the fact. So we could be like, hey, that's too much. You can change the focus completely. Look, I can't even see the gray hairs in your beard anymore. Guess who's back? Hashtag new profile pic.
So one of the cool features on the V27 Pro is that the backplate here is actually UV sensitive. So what does that mean? It means it's actually going to change colors depending on its exposure to light. And if I just go ahead and kind of draw on here like this using UV light, check this out. So you guys probably noticed this has this unusual flash on it, and it's actually part of a feature called Aura Light Portrait. So that's gonna allow us to take low light portraits with much better results. Thankfully we have Mo, and we're gonna dim the lights a little bit. So that lets us get a very detailed photo of Mo. He doesn't look like he's standing in a dim environment at all.
I don't know anything about this. Should I just pull this off at this point? Yeah, why not? Okay. You can do all your stuff on here. You can do your videos, take your videos, watch your content. You can charge it all up quickly at 66 watts via this fast charging system. Look at this one, 17. It's at 51 in just a couple of moments. We got a 4600 milliamp hour battery. We got all kinds of options for the cameras, including a 50 megapixel selfie, including fancy portrait modes. We have this emerald green, and we've also got this matte blue. Let me know which one you would choose out of these two color options. And then the big question remains, what is the price? $399 starting price, and 27 Pro for $59. What are you doing? Are you buying or selling?